You kind of look like your mama whenever she doesn't know what's going on over the floor.
But hey, just join the crowd.
I mean,
just get out there.
You might as well.
Yeah, y'all stand close together.
Okay, now turn towards Sissy. Follow her.
McKinley, get into it, sister.
I'm telling you, move those hips.
You're like a bump on a pickle out there.
Now turn towards me. You are
Yes, ma'am.
How are you going to dance to hip-hop if you're not a hipper?
You better be a hipper.
I mean, they're dancing to
I think they are going to
be
be fine as hippers. You got to help them.
I'm not what.
Step back. Now, face the door.
Walk with it. Oh, she's going super fast.
Ooh, look at that foot going up there. Now turn, face the TV.
Rowdy, scoot over. Rowdy, scoot over that way. And Kennedy, scoot over. There you go.
She is not looking at it. Really?
Good turn.
She's got some kind of rhythm. Dance alike.
Oh, are you playing the guitar?
Hey, not on the ground.
That's how you do it. She has the rock and roll style.
She's playing Debbie. Now play the drums.
It's freestyle. It's freestyle.
Oh, Miss Kennedy, you go, girl.
Oh, who tooted again?
She looks just like a mom.
Oh, that's not good.
Huh?
Maybe he had a try.
Rowdy, was that you?
Maybe you had a what?
I
Charlie
smelled it over here.
Golly.
What's a Charlie horse?
Cramp in your calf.
Right here in your calf, you know. If you point your toe, it starts to cramp, so you have to bend it up.
And your muscle gets real tight. Kennedy.
No.
No pulling the shorts down.
Show mommy.
Kennedy,
Turn around to
stop.
mommy. Look at
Face
mommy.
Kennedy.
Do that.
Hurry.
Let me sing.
Kennedy, stop. Baby. Kennedy, stop.
McKinley.
I know. You should get down there and dance.
You don't have any freestyle in you tonight? Oh, girl.
What up, yo?
We might be in trouble.
They're on track.
Just a little bit.
Hey, Bo!
Oh.
Hello! Hello!
How's that song go about shaking your hair?
It's like the white snake.
I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth.
I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth.
Okay, now you got to find that song.
Whip my
Wait,
hair.
no,